Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Block Traffic in the Suburbs."
On June 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to an intersection after a large group of people were blocking the road and refusing to move.
Somebody get on the PA. Hold on.
That's enough. That's enough. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your arms behind your back. Just stop resisting.
I can't see. I'm blind.
Stop resisting.
I can't see. I'm blind.
Stop.
I can't see. Give me. Oh, this is a killer.
Stop. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop pulling away. I'll grab him. Stop resisting.
Right now. He's right here. That's taking me to jail.
You got them both. I understand. We have orders.
I was standing over here with the new man.
I'll get them.
And I was trying to get my loved one.
What's your name, ma'am?
Give me my glasses on my face. This is the killer right now.
Here.
The road. Look at the killer taking me to jail. Put my glasses on my face.
I got him. Don't worry.
I was trying to get my loved ones out the street. Wait a minute.
Let us do what we gotta do first.
I was trying to help y'all.
I know.
My mama who just lost a son that y'all killed in cold blood.
Okay.
Y'all can't arrest nobody for it.
You cannot do this in the roadway.
Y'all get somebody.
I'm sorry, but you cannot do this in the roadway.
Mike, listen.
Did this guy just say it's a peaceful protest? What's peaceful about being in the middle of the street?
It's not illegal to have a peaceful protest.
Whether you like it or not,
No.
do it.
You mean
Whether we like it,
So it's not
whether you like it or not, we can do it. We can do it. We just did it.
You don't care about that.
We
Mike,
just do it.
listen to me.
That's
Crazy. You remember me?
Did we just do it?
Just do me a favor. You can stay out here.
This is a peaceful protest. Y'all
Mike,
can't arrest our family.
Mike, you can't go in the street. That's all we're saying.
Well, ma'am, since it's like that, y'all gonna arrest them while all us not arrested.
Because you guys weren't.
Yes, we was.
Right.
Well, then you obeyed. You obeyed.
Okay.
You
Mike.
look like you racist and you talk like you racist.
Mike.
You guys obeyed.
You talk like
You're
racist.
not going to
Ain't
jail.
no obey.
You want to come back into the road? Then you will.
Y'all can't hold them.
Stay out of the road.
Stay out.
I walk over there.
Those racist cops. This is the world that don't feel. Welcome in.
Whose car is that? 602. Plum? Where's he at?
Right there. Plum's right here.
Let me move it.
You got anything on you?
Bro, y'all kill somebody.
Hey.
Y'all kill my uncle. I ain't got nothing on my phone.
Okay. That's fine.
As soon as I walked away, you put me in. You know when you tell somebody to walk away in the left.
Listen, can you
You
talk to me
gotta
for a
pull my
second?
fucking wig off. I don't get no. You a killer.
Talk to me for a second.
No, y'all are fucking killers.
Just trying to get this
Y'all
taken
are
care of.
killers.
They have a job.
I don't care.
They have.
I don't care. Don't talk to me. Take me to jail then. Go get the
Just
vehicle
sit
and
tight.
take
Hold
me.
on.
If y'all think murdering my uncle was cool, a black man never sleep.
Can you stay right here for me?
I ain't
Sure, I'm gonna take your phone out your pocket for a second, all right? I'm just gonna place it right here.
Has she been searched?
Don't get shit. I don't have shit.
Okay.
I don't have shit. I don't. And I'm not scared of y'all. I'm not. And I'm not scared of y'all. I'm not. And I don't give a about y'all taking me to jail. But do something to me in front of the camera. Do something.
It is on the camera.
I know. Do something to me. No, it's on the news. It's on the news. Stop talking to me. Say that. Nobody. You're not going to press nobody. What charge you on? You know somebody? What if you ain't no show? What if you ain't brother? The news man told him I was going to stop. I say 10 o'clock on the street. You hear me?
We doing a peaceful protest, and y'all roughing my mom and my family up. Yes, you didn't see them. You didn't see them just pulling my mom. I'm sorry, mama. You didn't see them just pulling my mom. This is not right. They gonna lock us up and do a peaceful protest with hate officers. You alright?
What am I sitting here for? Hello? What am I sitting here for? Y'all can't hear? So when I start acting crazy, y'all gonna be, oh, you gonna really wanna here. How long, why am I still sitting here? Take me to fucking jail. No, give me a minute for fucking what?
Girl, I'm sweating. Stop.
I'm just searching.
Keep looking. Ain't nothing in
I gotta do my
there.
job. Before I put you in the car, I gotta do my job.
All racist, redneck ass. It's the only thing you see out here fucking white people.
I just got a job.
You don't gotta do nothing. You did the most. You know I didn't have anything.
Listen, I understand. I get it. You know what I mean? If the cops end up killing a loved one or something like that, you know, I understand the protest. I understand the pain. I get you. And I understand the protest. But you can't be doing it in the middle of the street, okay? That's just gonna get yourself in trouble. You could protest all you want on the side, you know, get your point across. I mean, it's not gonna bring them back, you know, but if you want to get the news out there and all of that, you know, I understand it, but you can't be doing it in the middle of the street, causing everybody else to be late for work, and you disrupting the whole flow of traffic. You can't do that. That shit is crazy. That's not peaceful.
Said I got 4 of my kids across the street. Looking like having something to come on North Avenue and Gary to do what? So many of y'all to kill y'all or to slap the shit out of you. I can't do that. I'ma do that with all y'all. Just be for real. I can't.
And man, loosen up. Man, loosen up. You're fucking ripping my
We're gonna put that mic down.
boy, can you loosen up on my fucking arm? I don't know. I'm gonna kick you in your fucking dick. Let me loosen my arm before I kick you in your dick and I'm not playing. You trying to carry that?
Please stop.
Please stop, ma'am.
Stop.
Don't give a
Please stop.
don't give a
Can you sit down?
don't give a I'm sitting.
Feel free to sit. Sit all the way back.
Man, I'm fucking little. I'm on this right now. Can I scoot the fuck up?
Move back, okay? To the back end. Got very focused. We're gonna search that stuff.
I got MS, so let me.
No, I know you're good. We're fine. Nobody's coming.
It's gonna be hard, but you gotta do me a favor. Let them do whatever they're gonna do with her. Don't try yelling at her because you started getting through to her and then she just started going up and up and up when you tried. And I don't want her to keep on getting, I want her to try, hopefully start coming back down.
Thanks for watching the video. Hit the
Yeah, interesting. Anyway, I think the officers, you know, they did the best they could. They try to take them in, you know what I mean? The only one that I probably don't agree with, wait, hold on, and we got to run that back because I want to see like the mom, like, because I don't think she was in the road, but I think she came to try and get them out.
Take me to jail. Kevin Steve, you are killing. There go a killer right there.
See, so I see the young little girl, the dude here.
Look at the killer.
Okay, so there's only 3. The one in the red, the girl that's loud with the blonde hair, and this other dude here.
Walking with them. No. You're a fucking killer. You're a killer. You're a killer. And y'all ass never go to sleep. Oh my God. Y'all never go to sleep.
Okay, this one in the blue, and this one here.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
So now she's technically in the road too, but
That's enough. That's enough. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your arms behind your back. Just stop resisting.
okay, let me. Yeah. So she was in the road as well, but she was just in the road recording. Not this one. This one. She was in the road recording. Yeah, she was in the road recording. She got her phone out recording. Okay. Yeah, so yeah. They were all in the road, but there was a couple that got away. I ain't gonna lie. The one in the red got away. Couple of the boys got away. They got away. Yeah. Okay, they ran back to that sideline real quick. Look at this. Look, the one in the red ran, and he was right in the middle of the road with the one with the blonde. He ran back to the side quick. Boy, he said, "Oh, wait, hold on. I'm down with the protest, but hold on now. I ain't going to jail." He ran back quick. And this one, the mom or whatever, she was in the road, but she was further back. She was probably with the news guy, but she stepped up in the middle of the street, started recording. So she's in the middle of the street too. Yeah, I mean, whatever. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.